My dear brothers, standing up for humanity here, we have been always watching Israel as an illegal state. We have been watching Israel always as a supremacist state. We have been always watching Israel as a superpower oppressor state. They have never followed any international laws. They have never cared of humanity. The humanitarian organizations of the world have always been sold to the power and money of Israel. The ironic part is, despite becoming an oppressor and tyrant state, they have always played the role of victim.
আপনার প্রিয় কাপড়ের যত্নে এলো এনজাইম সমৃদ্ধ অরিক সিলভার ওয়াশ ডিটারজেন্ট পাউডার 500 গ্রাম মাত্র 70 টাকা। প্রিমার্ক।
They always try to say that the Muslims are the terrorists, but we want to say this loud and clear: Muslims are not the terrorists. You are the terrorists. You are the terrorists. You can take away our lives with your bombs, with your missiles and bullets, but you can't take our iman, which carries the spirit of shahada. You can't take away our iman, which carries the spirit of shahada. We are the ancestors of Mustafa Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We are the ancestors of Salahuddin Ayyubi. Yes. We are the ancestors of Khalid bin Walid.
Yes.
We are the ancestors of Abdul Ghazi. We are the ancestors of Sheikh Ahmad Yasin. We can't let them down. We won't let them down. The more you try to break us, the stronger we will become. And we will keep shouting that loud words that make you scared. Nare Takbir!
Allahu Akbar!
Nare Takbir!
Allahu Akbar!
One day you will not get any space to regret, and you won't get any space to escape. Inshallah, Palestine will be free. Palestine must be free, and the victory is near, inshallah. Nare Takbir! From the river to the sea! From the river to the sea! Palestine must be free, inshallah.